Hey everybody, we're going to go over some features in MapSource today. Basically the different types of waypoints. You've got your standard waypoints like this little chevron station down here. You've got your what I call via points. Garmin calls them waypoints, but they're the points that are laid out when you're using this track tool right here. And in order for it to follow specifically your route, it's going to lay out a little point every time you click on that road. And then the third one are these points of interest. So the differences are, if we go down here and we go to a regular waypoint and waypoint properties, it opens up this property screen. You can change the name, you can change the symbol, tells you the latitude, longitude, you know, different categories, etc. A lot of different things you can change. Okay. If you go to a via point, they call it waypoint still, but you go to its properties, you can't change the name. I mean, I've got it highlighted here, but you still can't change it. You can't change anything. There's not as much information, and it's just there. Also, it doesn't show up in your Zumo as far as going to look for a waypoint in there. You can't find it. It'll show up when you're driving the route, and it'll announce that you're passing, you know, Highway 154, or you know, whatever these different names are as you go by, 7532 Fox and Canyon Road, and each one it'll announce it as you go by, which is a little bit annoying. I'm going to show you how to get rid of those in a minute here. But first of all, the third waypoint are these points of interest. So if we go to that, and you notice the red circle circling these, you go to that waypoint properties. Same as the other ones basically, except for right here under proximity, this is set for 5 miles. That's a 5-mile radius, which is what that circle is. And then it's got a link down here to a URL or a file on your computer. And in that link you can put an MP3 file for audio. You can also put a JPEG file for an image. And as you get to within 5 miles of that point, that audio file will start to play. So you know, it can tell you, hey, you're getting close to this happens to be Michael Jackson's Neverland Ranch. You know, if you want to go check it out, do so, and then you hit, you know, go, and it'll route you to it. Also, you can put like I said, the JPEG, and you can go look at that on your Zumo as well. So it's kind of cool. You can also get these POIs for speed cameras and stuff. There's a place online where you can download them all, and then as you get, you know, by the speed camera, it alerts you and tells you, and you can even set the speed at which, you know, if you're going over 20 miles an hour, alert you. If you're going under, you know, don't alert you. All kinds of things. Okay, so to get rid of these flags, we use this little app right here. It's called Pony Killer. We're going to convert one file. We're going to leave most of the conversion stuff where it is. The only thing you really got to be careful of is which map source version you're using, and I have the newest, so I'm over here. Let's go find this file, Waypoint demo. Okay, start conversion. Okay, so now we should be able to go, get rid of that, and open. Okay, Waypoint, it keeps the original file, which is cool, Waypoint demo, and it also creates a new one. It just puts unflagged at the end of it. So let's go ahead and open that. And there it is. You still got your same exact route. You still got all your waypoints that you set specifically, and your points of interest. And everything's there. It just gets rid of all the crazy flags that you don't need. So that's that. And that little application again is called Pony Killer. You can find it through the Zumo forums. If you just run a Google search for Zumo forums, or if you just run a Google search for Pony Killer, you'll find it that way as well. Also, you can go just go to my website, which is billmunio.com/WP, and that's my blog. You can sign up for my newsletter. You can get so I'll let you know if there's any new tutorials. If you subscribe through the RSS, you'll just, you know, get that anyway. But it's mostly motorcycle related.